This is assignment 7. You'll find it in the file assignment7.pdf in your working files. Let's step through the questions that I'm asking you here, or at least the problems that I'm posing. So problem 1 says to show the average position that an author appears on a book, but only if the author has written more than one book. In this particular statement, you can list the author using the Social Security number column. You don't have to join and list their name. In problem 2, you're going to list the number of books that have the same publisher ID and price. So if you have a book in the table that's got a price of $20 and a publisher ID of 1, and you have another book that has that same publisher ID and price, you should show that in the result list. But only do this where the price is known. Problem 3 asks you to display a list of the authors. That usually implies the last and first name, by the city they live in, as long as they don't live in Maryland or Illinois. Sort the list by the last name within city. Use a subquery for this. You can do this without doing a subquery, and that's why I'm telling you use a subquery so you can get some practice. Problem 4 is to show a list of the authors and the books they've written, except don't show any authors whose last name has the letter A or the letter O in it. This one's a bit tricky, so spend some time trying a few things out and making sure that you've gotten it to work correctly. The last problem here is problem 5, which says to list the authors, using their last and first names, who've written books published by the publisher whose name begins with bin. That is assignment 5. When you're done with it, you may review your solutions against the solutions that I provide in the next video.